All right. So the joys of having new equipment is sometimes you don't set it up right the first time. Brought this camera out here, so brand new Hero11 Black Mini something, GoPro, and just starts adding words. Maybe a few colors. Maybe I should get a blue one next time or something if they do that. Anyway, took a couple flights out to test it, try to check the stabilization. Completely overexposed because that camera come Monday, ND filters come on Tuesday. So I'm going to try giving this another run, one battery. This is a terrible day to fly. It is windy. I'm getting all sorts of gusts coming out here. You can probably see the grass blowing here. So I'm just going to try not to crash. That's where I'm going today. All right, let's see how it goes. Do 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 do. 5 satellites. Let's go ahead and armed. Recording in the goggles. And let's get some airtime. All right. So I'm going to go to where I always lose signal here, and at the end of the stream, next to the road. And I'm going to fly along the stream, try not to piss off the geese too much. I need to figure out my telemetry problem with this thing. Oh yeah, definitely some drift here with that wind. This is going to be a quick flight. I think I'm going to go ahead and buzz through here a little bit, go to the right of this tree on that part of the stream, just kind of going straight. Just a nice clean 30 miles an hour. Let's go ahead and follow this stream a little bit. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, wind, don't kill me here. Gonna fly over the roundabout, try not to piss off anybody it's driving. Ducks, geese, waterfowl. Let's go ahead and get a little altitude. Into the wind. Oh man, this wind is kind of gnarly right now. Yay, clouds. Gonna go ahead and do a good higher altitude fly over the cattle. Buzz this people's house. Try not to hit the power lines there. I know they're there now. Let's meow. Okay. Yep, we're fighting. We're fighting. Let's bring it down. Let's go across the road. Back on my side. That's how you say hello as a drone. Okay, gusts are dying down at the moment. Quick flyby. Here I am. My little spot to call home at this moment in time. Yay, gusts of wind. Should I do this? No. Am I going to a little bit? Yes. Quality. This wind is not helping me. So having a pickup in the way doesn't help. Okay. So yeah, this wind is making me sufficiently nervous. It's gonna cut that. Let's cut the acro mode. Let's see if I can come in for a landing here. You're not feeling it like I am. This This is what we call concerning. I almost landed on it this time. I mean, it's like right there. All right. And there we go. See how that goes.